Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw Etsy ads or sales funds to your bank easy tutorial.
Open your Etsy account and sign in.
Navigate to the Shop Manager from the main dashboard.
Locate the Finances section in the sidebar.
Click on Payment Account to access your payment options. Review your available balance and ensure you have funds ready to withdraw. Select the Withdraw button to begin the process. Choose your preferred withdrawal method from the available options.
If you are using direct deposit, enter your bank account details if prompted. Confirm your bank account information is accurate to avoid delays. Specify the amount you wish to withdraw.
Review any fees associated with the withdrawal.
Once you confirm the details, click on the Submit button. Wait for a confirmation message indicating your request is processing. Check your bank account within a few business days for the transferred funds. Keep an eye on your email for notifications regarding the transaction status. If any issues arise, refer to Etsy's Help Center for assistance.
That concludes the withdrawal process from Etsy ads or sales funds. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.